In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 per day by just selling photos and videos. Now, there is an amazing website and I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this, so just follow me. Now, what you want to do here is to go to foap.com. So now this is foap.com, and foap.com allows creators like you and I to meet with brands who want to buy photos, or who wants to buy content briefs for their brands. Okay, and you'll be wondering, why would they want to get my photos? Well, why would they want to get my videos? Just imagine how much photos are uploaded to this, how often people visit stock photos online. And of course, you know that now there's infringement of property rights if you download or you take someone's photo or take someone's content online without prior, like, either buying it from them or letting them know as per, you know. So this is a way where you can create photos for brands, create content briefs from brands, and they are going to pay you. Amazing, right? So this is foap.com that helps you, and you can see here, you see, we're a creative platform, we're creators, we're revolution, blah blah blah. Unleash the creativity of 4.5 million creators, meaning there are 4.5 million people like you that put out their photos and video content for your brand, or for brands to be able to get easy access to content. Okay, now just scroll. These are the brands and creators that unite on this group. You can see your very common brand. You can see Nivea, you can see Volvo, you can see Philips, Coca-Cola. So when you look at a Coca-Cola ad, a Coca-Cola picture ad that shows someone who is smiling and holding a Coca-Cola bottle, most times it's not Coca-Cola that went into studio to get those pictures. These are platforms like this help brands to easily grasp a hold of content, quick content like that, and use for their brand. Okay, so this is how it works for the brand. The brand just gets access, they brief creators, they set a price that they are willing to pay for your content. You see, they're willing to pay for your content, and they share it with creators. So the creators will now submit photos, meaning you that is creating the picture, creating the video content, you will submit video and photo and video content made to your brief, and review the submissions and pay only for the ones you choose. Okay, so the brands will pay for only the ones that they choose. And you know, the amazing part is you do not even need like to be a very a perfect photographer. You don't need to have a professional camera. This can even be done with your phone. So you can see the website, you can see these are the visual assets created daily, meaning every day 79,000 plus content are created, you know, covers 194 countries. So you can either continue as a brand or you can continue as a creator. And in this video, I'm showing you how you can cash out. Okay, we are the ones that want to make money, so you continue as a creator. So you can see, turn your videos and your photos into cash. So what you need to do is to download the Foap app and start earning. You can, so it's available on the Apple App Store. It's also available on the Google Play Store, meaning you can even access it on the go with your phone. So when you are with your phone, while you are even taking pictures with your phone, you can quickly make uploads to Foap app and wait for someone to get your photos, buy your photos. Okay, so you're going to go to Google Play Store and download the Foap app. So what you are going to do is just simply type Foap on the search bar and it pops up. So this is Foap, and of course I had already downloaded it, and if you haven't, you go ahead and download it. So So of course what you want to do is go ahead and sign up, go through all the processes and all of that, so you can see sell your everyday photos, become a better photographer and stuff like that. You can see basic pictures, you can see a dog jumping, you have a dog that you love playing with, you take photos of him. This is an opportunity to make cool money from those random photos that you think do not mean anything. You can see photos like that. Patrick Hardy sold this photo for $10. ol.sh won $100 in a mission for MasterCard for this photo. You can see this looks like she was in like the beach, and this bird, she was just having a fun time with this bird and took a picture. So there is no limit to how much you can earn. So what you want to do, of course, you want to start using Foap app. If you haven't created an account, of course, if it's your first time, what you need to do is create an account. So what you want to do is create an account. You use a username, you use your email, and you type in your password and go ahead and hit create that account. Once you've created your account, you want to go ahead and log in into the Foap app. So now you can see that we are logged in now. You can see follow crowds, work directly with brands. So you can go ahead and follow people. You can get first-hand feedback and start developing long-term relationships with brands you know and love for high rewards and free products. Let's say you enjoy Coca-Cola, you enjoy Nivea products. You can go ahead and of course start developing this long-term relationships with them. You can see participate in missions. You can see there are some people which I showed you earlier who earned a lot in missions. You can build your portfolio. So once you sign in, the first thing you want to do is to build your portfolio. You can see upload first photo. You want to allow. Now I've uploaded this photo. So now how will I describe this photo? Let's just say lady working in her office happily. So this just, of course, it's just a testing, it's just a test stuff. Then you want to add tags. So let's go ahead and publish it. Are there people in this photo? Yes. Are the faces in this photo recognizable? Let's say yes. Do you have permission of people present in this photo to use it for commercial purpose? Yes. So then you go ahead and publish it. Now you can explore crowds, follow your favorite brands and communities to discover exciting collaboration opportunities. The minimum reward is $50. You can also communicate with brands, and you can even become a brand ambassador from this app. Okay, let's go ahead and explore crowds. So you can see amazing brands that you can follow. You can follow this crowd and of course get noticed by more brands. You can see improve your chances of getting seen and getting your photos bought. So you can see there's even a rating. You are rated 0 over 200 photos this week to make Foap a better place. So we just started out now, so definitely 0. So you have to of course work your way to the top, and like I said, you need to go ahead and fill in your profile, your portfolio. You can go ahead change your wallpaper, your DP here. You can go ahead and impute in more photos, albums. You can go here, you can click on that these three icon here. You can edit your profile, you can change your avatar, you can change your cover photo. So you can click this plus button here, yes, to add more photos, yes, and of course albums and stuff like that. So let's go back. So here you have manage photos, where you can manage your photos, you can manage your albums. So practically what you do is to go ahead and start uploading. Upload as much as you can. You might be a fan of, okay, you go for outing, go for vacations, you take pictures. This is an opportunity to make money from them. So now you can see join premium mission, earn $200 in rewards, and you have 2 days left. You can click on it and join this mission and compete. This is the first one. You can join mission and earn $150. You click on it and join. Okay, this one too, check out the photos, best photos of November. You can join $300 in rewards. You can see them, a lot of missions, and by the time you join, how many of them, there's no how, and you upload a lot of photos in all of them, there's no how that you will not get picked. Of course, it's growth. Okay, gradually you grow. So imagine you get you join so many rewards, and in one of them you win the reward of $200. You have won $200 just in how many hours of you competing in those missions. Doesn't even take time. Imagine you sell 50 photos a day, and you sell each of them at, like I said, $50, and that $50, of course, $25. 25 times 50, that is a whole lot. That's a whole lot. That is more than $300. So, and there is no limit to how much you can sell, considering the fact that amazing brands are coming here. Real brands are coming here to look for photos, content for their brands. So you have to, of course, put in a lot of work, a lot of effort into your content creation. So, and you can do this with your phone. All you need to do is know how to snap good pictures. And like I said, it must be your content. Do not go about stealing people's content from the internet. You won't, of course, you won't get bought. Nobody wants to buy an already used or another already global content that can be easily accessed online. Okay, so you can see winners, just to show you that okay, people actually earn. You can see this person for 18 skincare routine mission. 18 skincare routine mission. So of course they want to upload teenagers doing skincare. That's what the mission is about. Now look at this guy who won it, $50. You can see his picture, something simple, him doing probably his own skincare. You can see another person who won this also 10 skincare. You can see her having a very beautiful skin with a smudge of a little product on her cheek. Amazing. Look at this picture that also won best photos of November mission. You can see someone just smiling, just a young girl smiling. So there's a whole lot. Look at this pictures. There's a whole lot that you can see. A giraffe. So there's no limit to what you can snap and get paid for. Now let's see, speaking of getting paid, let's see how you can get paid. Of course, so you want to go to settings and you want to go to cash out setting. So now the way you can withdraw is through your PayPal account. Okay, because you're going to be earning in dollars. Okay, so the best way, of course, and the most safe way is through PayPal. And if you don't have a PayPal account, it's super easy to create. And if you're even in Nigerian, yes, you can create a PayPal account that sends and receives money. I made a video in it in a few of my previous posts, and I'll be leaving the link in my description below. I'll also be leaving the link to this website in the description below. So go ahead and try it out. If this is for you, do not sleep on this, so you can earn as much as possible. And of course, it's not something you should use as your full-time thing, just sit at home and uploading videos, but it can suffice for a very great side hustle. So do not sleep on this. Go ahead, register on the FOP app and start making money. So if you found this video helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to leave a comment on what you think about this. Will you be trying it? Have you tried it? Then also do not forget to subscribe for more money online jobs, making money online videos. I am TFI, and I basically show you how you can make money online, platforms you can leverage on, and make money. Stay tuned for more. Do not forget to hit the notification bell, so when next I drop a new video, you will be the first to see. Thank you.